man, very easy.
Yo, grandma tell me say, Paul, what you call so me as a grandma know the vice I know, bro, G.
Paul.
I
know grandma at all over.
Yeah, me I say too.
What thing, man?
So everything good?
Yeah, man. That takes so long, brother.
What you know, say?
Sleep, yeah, sleep, man. But, man, yo, man love sleep, man. You sleep too much, brother, man.
There you go, man.
Sleep too much, brother. You can't, you sleep out the whole of your life, brother.
Me I say to brother, like I lazy, Mr. Who me down, brother.
That me I try to tell you, fan. When, bro, you have to ease off with the laziness, my friend, man.
Yeah,
you
man.
have to leg your laziness, man, and do the right thing, man. Because watch it, you know. You know, I can link you up onto so early. You get a one link, bro, for match up some working idea. Right now, I'm ready idea, dog. I just see you for just go steady
up.
You
can't see ready, man, because you have another bag on us.
Like, yeah, man, I see you for steady up, man. Watch it, you know. Dog, I show me, say, dog, you can just do so, bro. You see me?
Yeah.
And lift off a couple of things in my fight truck, you see me? So, dog, I say, if we work good enough, because I think he might say I told somebody one, you see me? So I tell him I have a G we can deal, you see me?
So I just say you can link me and show me 100.
Yeah, because watch you know. Dog, you might pull up a sentence of the show, you see me? And then say if we go on good, so from Losi, I travel from Losi to Senti, and then I make 2 stops with dog, I tell me, you see me? So now we go so boom now, I make 2 stops now. From them now, we must see how we can deal with the car. I'm sure the dog say I can deal with it, you see me? I know say you can deal with the dog, but just you're lazy more while dog. When you leg out the laziness there, bro, you see it?
Yeah, right now, bro. You know, I'm sleep, I got more from wake me for 10, brother.
Man still a talk about sleep. Top leg of laziness, brother. Come in, dog, just go line up and forward you. Forward, man. But check, man still stand up there. Go on, my youth. Me have money can pay fear God lose, brother. Them dog want me to my lose, brother. Go on, my youth.
Yes, man, see, bro, G, right now, me have to go cut down it. Yo. Hard piece out that now, bro.
Joke, yo, watch out.
Yo, hard piece out that, man.
Yo. So you see, you're not forward.
No, bro, G. I'm all asleep, bro. I'm tired, bro.
Man, say I'm all asleep. A joke, yeah, man. A joke, yeah, man. Here we go. Let me $1,000 and come back with you.
I have no money.
You know no money, but brother, I tell you about work, dog. I work, I tell you about dog. Can make piece of money, dog. Yeah, permanent work we can get, brother. Can elevate from this, you see me?
Right now, bro, right now I'm leaving now, bro. Right now.
A joke thing. Yo, and I look a bit there. A joke thing you're on your man.
Yeah, yo. One skinny no easy to you know. Girl, you man come call me at the bed. Grandma come wake up man at the bed, go far. You remember skinny? Yeah, I know. Hindi man gonna work, you know. I used to don't tell me say me nah come, cause you must understand, brother. Wait, I wanna sleep now back in my bed, go sleep right now. Come and tell me about who can find type of work too. If you go live for heavy, me! Brother. Skinny. I'm your friend. My brother. Brother. Show man. I'm paying attention early in the morning. Then I eat, brush your sleep.
Early bird.
Get the most worm.
That's good. That's good, man, bro. Yeah, I'm just a pineapple.
Yo. See, yo, hear me, I say, see me? So like, oh, You should have these. Can't buy 2 bags if you wash it down.
Boy, I'm stop saying. You go and try to do that, man.
Brother, you never shop it, brother. So I want to do that. No matter how much link you.
Yeah, that.
Hmm?
Boy, I'm not know, boy. No, boy.
Boy, you know, but yeah, once you put up in half. Once you split them in half.
Everybody be trying.
Yeah. I'm say, now Bible, I say, yeah, first man get piece of fight.
Yeah. Yo, I don't know if I go and try to look. I know it's not, but I don't know if I go for
Just big money and friend. Anything going on?
you wake up, I just do like I eat some food.
Right.
What do you want?
Bros, you know see bro. Yo, I can't do it.
No, you man.
Okay, girl, bro. I can't do it.
Brother, you know can't catch my brother. Because I do you go over there.
Yo, just stand up some man, I can't do it.
Yo, bro, you man. Yo, me I go over there. Me I catch do I want.
Alright, come on.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Sa tako na. Yo, smell me tacos.
Oh, she nice, brother.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Hey, good morning. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. What? Yeah. We're just passing by.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
I can't really look over here and I see look you know.
how?
Like nobody know they have to take up your rubbish in my house. I listen like you are take up my house.
Yes, I would love to help you.
Hello.
Me a Touch. My name is Touch.
Okay, nice to meet you, Touch.
Yeah, I'm Bamas.
Nice to meet you, Bama.
Yeah, but yeah man.
I am
Vicky.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Miss Vicky.
Nice to meet you, Kevin Herman.
Well, you're coming around with you.
Yeah, right on the road. Me come from right on the road. Right on the lane. Around 4 houses back down, me come from.
Well, I wouldn't know, because I stay in. I don't normally come on the road.
Okay. I can see. So, see, kind of normally come back and realize that that's how your girl looks like. Nobody be paid to pay yourself. True.
Guys, nice, two little gentlemen.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I need that, man.
Anyway, Miss Vicky, you have any ice water in here? Can offer me a cup of water? Or
No,
like
I
that?
do not have any ice water, but I have pipe water.
That's okay, that's no problem.
Would I like some pipe water?
Alright, you can get the pipe water, but stay out here till I come
Alright. Would you like to have it for me?
out. Alright.
Miss Vicky.
Yo.
So nice. You know, see, like, you know, I'm going to do your man. Yo,
Me and say to.
I got to have fun. You know, say, for the boy, I'm going to get it. You know? She like me, and say, she looking at me.
But I know you're going to share the pan.
One of the time, she has steer by me, so she has steer by me, 3 seconds.
You talk about that. That's me there saying you talk to him. I like money for me and I blush up here smiling.
Blush.
Yeah.
I one time, he telling me joke.
Joke.
And the telling me, the same time, telling
No
me joke.
joke, brother. Brother, you go look for me and see cuteness.
Don't feel more just wait, make it water. Make it water and refresh up. Refresh.
What you want, man?
You tap up in your woman gate, bro. See woman.
Brother, brother. That you lean for me, brother.
Yes, Miss Vicky. Sweet, sweet. Be water.
Bananas.
Thank you.
Alright, Miss Vicky.
Expect me first done.
Backside of the terrace.
Yes, Miss Vicky.
Thank you, Miss Vicky.
Bananas.
So Miss Vicky.
Yeah.
Seeing as you just give a look water, you know some more down there favor.
Like what so?
Help you run the yard like how them coconut trash in the yard and
Can't support us in bush here.
No problem, come would I like your help, no problem.
yeah man. I mean, can help them. Simple thing. Alright, Miss Vicky, clean your plate here.
You want to have one inside.
Get it to me now. Mamas. Yo, I move too fast. Calm down when you move too fast. Yeah, man, calm down.
What do you mean by me I move too fast? I move too speedy. I move like you're sad. You see that? No man even invite me here good enough. You just running so.
Yo, make me stop this like brother and go sit down there yard and
Yeah man, someone to you fucking kill it. Yeah.
yo, go on over there. Miss Vicky, me just got some coconut here.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, but you can't take it.
No problem.
Yeah man, Miss Vicky man, always a work, you know. Always a put in work, yeah. Always. Never a time one time now work. Always.
Why do you like the sounds by right?
True, Miss
Are
Vicky.
you working at
Oh God man. Right now one time you done with the yard, it's supposed to feel like a new brand yard I just buy. Me I tell you Miss Vicky. Yeah man. Like when you just move come here, you know when them time you just move come here?
Yeah man.
Yeah, that's how we are gonna make your yard look, right? So me are gonna make, so me ambition and make your yard look, you know?
Yeah man. Just go and speed it up.
You know, say I change Miss Vicky. Are you talking about like from me go to my auntie and ask her certain things about church and God and something. She always sit me down and reason with me one type of way. And I always tend to listen because them type of thing there are something I go with, you know, me for a long time because Sunday school and, you know, taking me away
The
that type.
Bible is very important.
Yeah, my mother always talk to me one type of way. And I always take lessons and things. Me love how the people talk to you and just encourage you to do the right thing.
That's the right way there.
Yeah, I love that because he's a good boy and I just always tend to be a good person and look out for people and help and them stuff. And so
People do need help. We need to help people so people can help you back in the longer runs.
like we always like when you know like when people wise me up and give me knowledge and stuff.
Yeah
about
man,
certain things.
you have to help people. Cause them said they can turn around and come help you.
Yeah, true. You say a word, watch when time me done with the yard. I gotta make it. That's what me done wake up and clean.
Yeah, man.
Just watch.
As the man say, look, you stop, you call, remember, some men want to look at Adams. You say your name is Hadley and the other one your Bamas. You ask for a glass of water and I did bring it.
Yo, Dodge. Hey, there, bro. Can help me grab up vessel? Yo. Macam mana? Yes, bunyi semua di sini. Just lah kan, kawan cai semua. Jadi, ni she like me. Dong.
Yeah.
You see.
Yeah.
Ya kan ada bad man kawan. Di kan pasti siya nang asli berda. Yeah man, let's go hear me. Masuk really.
Mr. Girl T, to the mediator door, right? When me look at two gentlemen, me say I call me. So I pin out my clothes them and me bend down and I look and I'm line. When me look at two gentlemen out there, so me walk go towards them. I say, good afternoon, how can I help you? Then I say, I beg a glass of water. So I say, alright, no problem. When me give them my glass of water, they help me chop the yard, they rake up the yard. Everything they help me do. Look at. Where did you come from? Me say I don't know, but look no girl, look for the boy them.
Oh my boy, they stay good man. Where they come from?
I don't know, but I almost them pass by. I bless you.
Just so they not stuck in here.
Yeah.
You don't know them?
I don't know them, but I go to make them a glass of water. In exchange, they come help me tidy up my yard and rake up it for me. I say I'll touch when I rake up the yard. I say my bus so sweat and he turn around and he muscle them tick up and something.
No man, no.
Well, it's a blessing, you know, girl. It's a blessing. Good people had to find and something. So when I find them, I have to put them to good use.
Very.
Yeah,
You must say a simple man start, man.
Yeah, man. I saw like a nice nigga, them man, my little friend, so sharing is caring.
Yeah. Alright. You know, so I'm so forward down, isn't me? So,
yeah, man, yeah, even can. Yeah, forward down when I go back up. You book one ticket for the banana boat for him.
Oh, girl. I don't know, it's a green cat can bust off boy real, you know?
Right, listen.
Girl, you want to know, say one day road shots, me like though, the one day.
Oh, Tadja talking.
What's your name?
Yeah.
The one that me like, yeah.
The one with the
Nice,
broad hair.
I brown shots, yeah, the one day.
Okay, I will
So
set the
link
link.
me here?
I will set the link, no problem.
Alright, my girl. Go on, bless up yourself, you see.
Same to you.
Talk to you later, I'm on the road.
Alright, no problem. Alright, sister girl.
Yeah, man.
Hold on guys, my phone is ringing, I will be right back.
Alright. Listen, anytime she come back, you have to give me the milk again. Yes, sir.
No, you have to make them family.
Me at another second time you come here, so me first again.
Things we are trying to do better.
What me do?
try to impress the girl, brother. Brother, you see, brother, me I take the clothes and come next, you want to take all the clothes and from me, bad man.
Me? Brother, yo.
Me watch you, you know. You know, see you. When you come next, you're going to do everything, say, I'm going to do everything, bad man.
No, bro, not like that, watch out.
What?
What's calm now, watch out.
Yeah, man, I'm on top of it. Take clothes off your dirty skin.
Yo. You just torment. Why you behave so? Stop pre like that, brother. Me ain't no virgin. Why you think say me a hurry? You don't know say you have to try to help sometimes. Brother, ease yourself, man. Come in and do not more than out.
Brother, you have to about that, brother. But man, from me out of the work, brother, me see what you are going with, brother. Yes.
Mama's dad, I'm coming. You can give me the clothes, Emma. Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. I'll be right back soon.
Okay, Miss Vicky.
And I said, the Jamaican place and he touched me, man.
You guys can get the
Take
clothes
it
very
out,
comfortable.
You can take it for Miss Vicky.
Okay, you can take it and make yourself very comfortable.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
This is for you, Mama.
Alright, Miss Vicky.
Alright.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes, sure.
You want me to?
Thursday is like to get some, alright?
Alright.
This palate man can do this, so you don't think I'm going to do it. So, no matter. No matter. That'd be nice, man. By 8 o'clock, we have to left. Where? Kirk, you must say, I'm reaching a Kirk will have left. You must say, I'm making sure the house now, say, I'm running the gang there. Then they are making control.
But you really feel your imagination really ambitious. Why you am afraid that yo.
Mama's Taj, are you guys okay?
Yes, Miss Vicky, yes, Miss Vicky. Just easy breathe, I can't feel the need to reach that house.
I look but you just someone just like some.
Yes, Miss Vicky. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Vicky.
You're welcome.
Wow, it looks beautiful though.
You're welcome.
Wow. Can you confuse?
Can I hear your voice enough, brother?
I want you know. Want you know. That we don't even make a poison.
But brother, he said, we don't give you poison to eat.
No.
So why a nice day that is that we want to poison? I'm first thing she didn't know. She just real part there and give her nice and she just set it with some nice delicious meal. Yeah. I'm thinking something over the way with her. I'm going to say the lady woman we are really want to poison.
You know that I mix it all.
Wow.
Beverage water, natural. Very refreshing.
Refreshing, man.
Good for you.
Thanks.
Yeah.
That's Miss Vicky.
How was the food?
Now enjoy it right now.
It's okay. No worries.
Okay. You know, so the apple come mango can give you good on your side if you know I'm
Dessert.
bring home.
Dessert.
That's great. That.
I will go and get them.
Alright. Baby, say, if you go to my yard, I make somebody know. Say, I make somebody know. So we're over here. I'll come back. Maybe we can stay this. We can go to my yard.
So we can have to go to my yard. Why am me?
I feel food big bit and you're soon done.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
What a sweetie.
You're most welcome.
This one I have in the pocket.
See you? The one.
The food sweet, your food. Yo,
No. I need to get back to my outside.
so me supposed to get tight, so me supposed to be man.
That's what you're doing. I should have been a hit.
Me supposed to do much. And since they like it food more than you, blood and spiritual.
I'm here. Vamos a poner allá. No vamos a estar bueno. Olha já que tu compra tudo. Mas bom, good time.
Vamos, pode ver, né? Tá aqui, né? Food, melhor.
Você anda minha boca.
I feel choke.
E na tua minha water.
Yo, me la tela la que free food, but I don't know man who finish still. Come on, I can do it.
Nem muito checking out really can all these things. I say yeah.
But I mean, she likes me. I don't know. If I can try to find it. If I can try to find it.
No man, I know that. I'm not going to share the coin. I am going to share ice cream.
Like, you really need to.
And also she going to eat up as a yard, send me to my yard. Because tell people where
We used to have pints in that food, so if we did, then can't do some fat, man. You would have did, but it was good.
Hello, boys. Can one of you go to shop for me, please?
yeah, man, sure we can go shop.
Vicky, that good man, we can eat it, man. Yo, we can eat it.
Is that DVD bro?
Yeah, man. Can eat it, man. Hey, what I want to see.
Alright, I want a tin of sardine and a tin crackers.
Alright.
The tough one. You know, some of them want a box of cornflakes, but the money not reach. But that's alright. I will make love for
You know,
that.
I'm saying, me have cash, me have a good cash, me can, two of them can do it.
Alright, thank you.
Cornflakes and crackers and...
A tin of sardine, the tough crackers.
Alright. So far, do it. Yeah, bag.
No man.
Alright, so come again.
Alright.
Shoes go down.
Alright.
So, chill out. Young boy who bug you to watch. You never shop it.
Lefty, do man. Lefty.
So you turn back for what?
Give me my shirt.
Oh.
You know, say boy, tell Bama's me fi say. Me this find one mango and a tree now, me say me I give it to you.
Wow. Thank you, Miss
You
Vicky.
can go home, go do what you want to do with me. Juice,
Yeah.
you want to make with it.
And the East Indian tea, you know?
Yeah, but what was I saying now?
Yeah.
Like when I send Taj gonna shop or something and you can go and finish box run and
outside.
cut the yard for me.
Alright, yeah, man, no problem, Miss Vicky.
Alright, the rake and the machete and the hook tick is around there.
Alright then. Because June was said the rain, maybe they cannot stop, you know? Alright then, Miss Vicky. Alright then, so me go finish up outside that.
Yeah, man.
Alright, thanks you, man. And the meal was nice.
You're most welcome, man.
Alright, thank you.
Obama's down there 91 years now. I can't imagine him being canny lyrics then.
Yo, what go on, my brother?
What go on? How
Yeah, man, I saw you have to tell you, no, man.
what? Me not yes, no boy.
I saw you have to tell you, man.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, man, we link up,
much
man.
there, you know.
We link up, man.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, gosh, it's a man, you rush, no, man. Can't believe, man.
Yo.
So I pray. Get it.
A bird, you know? No kill him!
You know the dog. Why? Like you're lucky you're still.
I catch What go on?
Yeah, man. Boy, you get me from boy. Could they boy? Yo, you have books in your face, on it.
Up on the boat
See
road.
pretty, man.
Fly come and lick me in my face. Touching it.
Beep. Oh, boy. Beep. Yeah.
I'm saying he didn't get licked. Give him some water.
Yeah, man.
Can't move.
Send him home, I know. You still, boy. We finish up so we can get fit. Too early, you know.
The boat fly away.
Man, you fly, man.
Vicky!
Oh, you come back from the shop. You get everything.
Yeah, man, all that time play.
The cornflakes, I'm sardine. Thank you, God. I really appreciate this.
No problem, Miss Vicky.
Thank you, man.
No problem, you know.
Yeah, man.
Really nice journey out the road. That did look nice though.
Yeah, man. All Bamas, all put in teamwork and something I very appreciate to them.
True, me appreciate everything you did for us too. Can my belly full, you know?
Yeah, man. I say food eat good, right?
What? Me didn't know say so. I burning like you could have cook.
Boy, you say go me get it from my mother and my grandmother.
You're hot. You're tough. You're steel pan. Oh, you know what I don't do for you again. I just remember. I remember you cook and I promised you this morning.
Oh, you know something I remember?
I pick them for you now.
Blind stick is right around there. You can pick them.
Alright, this week.
Alright, I'm gonna drink some and wash out my hands.
Alright, this week.
Alright, may I put on the bag, no problem.
Yeah, but do your thing, you know? Yo, Bamas. Yo, guess what? It a work.
Wow.
Like, you know, look at your binoculars then.
You come like a joke. What?
You see the amount of work I put in.
The amount of work we have put in and produce it. You should have there. When you're gonna shop.
Why am I gonna shop?
What? So you're gonna shop. Say, why? When you're gonna shop. One long piece of conversation. Me and Vicky in there on board. Tell you, it was so great. I was like, oh my sweet Vicky, my Vicky. And she was like, oh my mamas. So, still. So, you work for you still. So, bro, so make you look so.
Eh?
How make you look so?
No, do me.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I pick coconut.
You pick coconut? Alright. Yeah man. Come on, one of them, you know. But yeah, I'm a top of still. Me bought usually them.
Me chop them. Yeah man, you can buy them, me chop them.
Yeah man. What me about them, you know? Because I know that Miss Vicky, I gonna love them.
Watch your head, boy! Yeah!
Yeah, Vicky, I'll pick one coconut.
Happy nice, man.
Eh? Put it. You go long. Alright. May I jump in the mid?
Yeah, I know remember some money in my pocket, boy. True. You remember, boy, the truth. You remember.
Oh. Where's the people? No. Where's the people? Yo, where's the people?
You have an idea? Yeah, it's like, oh, come so boom now. I realize I want to come down in it. Right, that's up. Yes, I agree now. Now, sir, come back here next week.
Yeah man, that's one good man. Next week. It's a good time.
Don't it?
Yeah man.
Don't it?
Next week.
And next week, man, we don't say a woman and anything. She really not look like that father.
You know, take it.
We don't say a woman and anything. We don't say a woman and space and anything, you know? So you want to give them that and anything. See, because she just know if you know
anything. Yeah, you can't rush it.
Yeah, so next week we can like motion back this up. Oh, Mr.
See one here.
Vicky! Oh, yeah, who that? I want. Eh? Who that?
A Taj.
Oh, I want Taj.
Yeah, man.
Never know say it's still here.
Yeah, I go check it. See if I go the door.
Yeah, man, me alright.
The Jojo. What?
Me there, man.
So everything good though?
Yeah.
Me there?
Everything good.
Yeah.
And then me there in the little so me watch the show and I eat local dinner.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
How you cook?
Sardine and dumpling, you don't eat that.
Eh?
You don't eat to my food them.
So when you come, what kind of food need?
3 mackerel and rice.
Still making a rice. Yeah. So you think good though?
Everything good, man. Boy, me thank you for today.
True, man.
Yeah, me thank you for today, really. As long as I said 2 hands is better than 1.
For real, man.
Yeah. But anyway, you know, say, me just so too long come here, so I'm gonna want to stay too long outside.
Good, man. Go on. Easy back out there, son. Kick it back, you know.
Alright, no problem, nothing of that. Then I can go and use the back. If you are going to pull up my grill car, I am going to go take a 5, right? If I not have a sleep or something, we come back out, I can go and chill with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So no
You
problem.
need that walk, you know, pass. Me say me attack.
Okay, that's very nice of you to come and check by.
True.
Yeah, man. So you're good otherwise. Alright, I'm going to go take a 5. Alright. Alright then, still.
So babes, how would that come and call you?
Yes, I want you only am Taj. Yes, I'm a pass through.
Yeah,
man.
so where you come from?
You come from back down the town.
So them a time of night and come and call you?
Yeah, just a pass through. Mr. Babes, this morning too you would pass by, right? And they help me with in a yard or something. Then go shop for me. And then cut the yard right now and you go out there yard cut clean.
Yes.
Me say yard cut clean. The boy them just nice so they might help me run. Then rake the yard, take up the garbage, burn them. And then I'll go shop and something was near tell you.
So say you have none of work them?
And I may have them at work them. They was just passing by. Well, and they all pick coconut. One named Taj and one named Bamas.
So like I have them all day about coconut milk jelly. That means the fridge around there full of water made from jelly then.
Yes.
So mama left around there.
Yes.
Get me some.
No problem.
About jelly water.
Wash out my heart.
Take a sip still. Yeah man, boy you do a good job man.
Yeah, and it tastes refreshing.
Yeah, tell her. So
baby, like on our socks in there, you have to be barefoot. You have to put a size 10 in a size 1 with the shoes.
No, babe. Let it find that. You know I'm not ready for no you yet. I'm telling you that already. You want to go and send the boy to buy one socks.
B, you sure I go and buy it?
You will buy man, remember say you him there whole day today or something.
You
And
sure?
chop yard and thing. Yeah man, send him man, he will go face him man.
Alright, me ask him.
Alright, do that.
Did you give well the money plant? Cause they left well in them now. And Suzette come like say she not even look out of your yard. Gate still come like it assumed a belly. Now I can't afford for the instant, that's still alright. Yeah, but there are different ends I go and bleach and all them way. You know the 100. Alright, Virgin. Let's see already. Chop chop.
Watch out, is it still there?
Yeah, man.
You know, sir, me I beg you a favor, please, and thanks, like your data.
Sure, what up?
You can't go buy one.
Sucks. Yeah, man, sure. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, me I'll go for your money and come back.
Big.
Vicky! Vicky!
Boy! What?
Bamas!
What kind of man?
There man!
It was something inside having a seat, so you can spend 1 day as a poor reflection.
Alright. They want to try that wrong, man. You know, I'm proud of you. One touch. Outside. Why free? There man, yes, everything live. Oh, there man, yes, now people touch my road night. Oh, free man. I there to boy just go to cook her some food and you know I say me I go to my gear 1 car.
Bamas!
You know say oh, you see me?
Bamas! The soup come and you give me some time.
Yo. Eh? Me there me yard, brother. Yeah. No, sir. No, Boji. Alright. Alright then. Yeah, man, I go and watch some TV to see the speed dance. You see? Yo. Alright, them friend. Me knock you up on the bird, man. You come on. Alright. Idiot. What? Mama, hold up. Masa muda.
Man, I tell you, say, boy, Bama's not easy, you know. Bama's what really wrong with you? What to this man? This man says I'm up on apps, the blouse and skirt, and you just want to spoil up my mission. What to this a small fryer? What really wrong with him though, Jaja? Eh? Lord of his mercy, this brother man call on my phone and he says, I'm gone on the road. I'm not even say I'm gone on the road, I'm say I'm there in the yard, you know? Blouse and skirt, you know? Brother, don't try to spoil up the day, man. My night, it go so good. You all would catch me foot when time me there at the yard. Don't try to spoil it and me forget it tonight, because my night tonight. Bamas.
Touch. Touch.
What you there?
Me fi ask you that same question.
My broji. What you there? Bamas. What you really are there?
Brother, one question I want to ask you. Why you are doing ya?
She send me go by. How you feel about that?
man. I want to go. One and five. I want to fight over. What are the bumper? I want no brother. I want no. Eh? What are the bumper and a fight? Look at the blood bumper. What are fight for big man? I want no.
How are you?
What do you mean how are you? I'm in house. What do you mean how are you? Who no? What are the pump place, big man? Yo, Vicky! Vicky! Call on me a car. Come here, man. I want my brother here pump partner. What really are going on? What are fight over? Eh? What are fight over?
Baby, what's going on here?
You ask me what's going on? I'm if you ask you what's going on, I wouldn't do it at a pump partner fight. Eh? I want my brother.
Taj, Rose.
Look on the veranda, Vicky.
Why do you put the veranda so and why not fight? Taj, Bamas, what are you guys fighting about? One have buck up two, one have bust up more, one more bust up. One have fight board. Fancy conduct, what were you guys fighting about? Today, it wanna live good. And you sit down, laugh, drink, eat, pick coconut, chop the yard, and rake up the yard and things. No, we're not going to bust up on one another mode. We're not fight both. Eh?
Me, the one, I mean, Vicky like us.
Vicky like who?
Man,
come on.
I mean, Sheila.
Yo, come on from far.
Shame on you, Bamas and Tad. Shame on you. After you come on my yard, I'm give you no food. No one can worry over me. Eh? That was just a friendship. Me not to know you guys. I'm give you a little food and a little water and a mango. I'm not going to worry over me. I said, I'm going to operate. Shame on you guys. I thought you was just helping me and being a good friend, but I take it too far. You take it too far, man. Shame on you guys, shame on you. You know how I stay there. You gonna come to my place, come to my place. That's why I'm not obsessed stranger of me, you know. You know how long me have to see up to buy my house. You come blood veranda. Nobody ever bloody up here. Footprint and blood. Eh? You just pass and help people and destroy the place.
When I see a thing, I'm very bad man. And the ribs.
Some of them more better say me for my food and say from people place. You cause
and you brother.
You cause brother.
And you.
She just make me try me look. You just a fussy thing brother and make call me all meet up in a bridging where they are the yard the woman and sitting and look like a idiot. I know me go road me look like a idiot.
You see though brother, you see how you just turn your yard.
Brother, I live for a bus up brother. Yo come on and go me yard. Brother, I can't bother you sometimes me tap her with you.
That's still a friend.
Vicky, come here, man. Come here.
Vicky. No, you tell me now, Vicky. And what kind of thing like Vicky? Yeah, man, I come from a veranda. A war. But who want you? And who are gonna get chat? Vicky. You have a man come on my yard. And I chop jelly and they sitting there, Vicky.
But my name knows that I'm pray the way they them just a
Vicky,
pass by.
yo, you listen to me, man. Shut your crap, man. Vicky.
Yes, baby.
You know what you're doing, man. What kind of pity style is that?
Boy, as someone did fool. They might fight over me about Miss Vicky. I didn't like him, but I said, you don't need to wise up, man. What kind of boy they might in the world? You come like on the band back and moon. If you have sense, man, when you pass by and not cut me yard, when you ask, maybe when you food, when you take you in the reach, go somewhere else. When I think about me, I think about that. Lord Jesus, God take the wheels. I don't know which are gonna come from. And if you have sense and wise up, we're not gonna beat up in one another.
We all love gifts, and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. I'm Kevin. Some call me Skinny, what a bombshell, Sophie Cho. You know, I want to say thanks to everyone that's been supporting us, you know, watching the movie, liking, share, comment, you know, whether good comment or bad comment. We still appreciate you guys, because as long as you are part of this project or what project we did before, you know, whether to like it or to share it or to dislike it, it still encourages us, it still motivates us. So it's not a big deal, because we love doing movies, you know. Movies, a thing that we do every day, you know, it's a love, it's a passion, you know. So I want to thank everyone that has been supporting us. And I didn't want to say it is challenging or it is difficult, you know, because it's something that we love doing. So it's hard to say it's challenging or it's difficult, that it's rough or anything like that. Everything has its own little challenge, you know, disadvantage and advantages, right? So it would look, you know, a bit bad or not so good to say it's difficult or challenging, but let's not say it's difficult or challenging. Let's say we want to become we want to do more better in what we're doing, you know, by asking you guys for the opportunity of support, continuing to support us, you know, help us to grow bigger and better, you know. So coming this summer, I want to talk about the project that we're doing this summer. So we start a GoFundMe to ask you guys for your support to help us to make this project possible in the summer. We haven't decided what month as yet, but we're trying to raise enough funds to allow us to able to execute that project, so we can pay people and get material we need and stuff like that. We're also learning new softwares, trying to improve on our sound quality, visual quality, acting skills as well, you know. And we're asking you guys for the opportunity to help us to raise this fund to make this project possible. We did Valentine's, we did a movie Love and Time on Valentine's Day. It was a good project for us, because we spend more time that way normally, more than what we normally do in the past movies, right? So we like to do really much better than the last one, than Love and Time. So for summer, guys, help us. It's a biblical movie. It's actually a biblical movie where it's about the gospel, you know, birth of Christ. So let's see how that goes for a Jamaica film. So we asking you guys to please support us. Go to our GoFundMe. Any means and way you guys can support us financially, or if you have anything else, like, you know, maybe I don't know, but anything that you guys can give, you know, with props. If you guys have clothes and shoes and stuff like that, like, we can use for props. Any books or anything, if you guys have a lot of books you want to give away, you know, we'd appreciate it, same, because we can use them in movies. Same, we can write a script. I'm really good at making up stories, right? So as you guys see, most of the movies that have been put out, it's actually from here. No paper, I don't use pen and paper. Everything is actually from here, you know, because I actually watch the movie in my head before I can even film it, you know. So whatever props you guys have to give, we'd really appreciate it financially, any means of way of helping us to get better, you know, liking our video, sharing our video, watch it, spend time watching the videos, you know, commenting, tell us what you think, you know, what you dislike and what you like, you know. It really helps us to get better. So for summer, guys, we're gonna put some extra work in summer, but we need your help, we need your support, we need your understanding of what we're doing here. It's not just fun, it's fun, but it's actually a part of our financial aid, go-to, right? It's our financial go-to. That's where we go to get our money. And it's been, like I said, I didn't want to say it's struggling, but most of the time We had to spend money from our own pockets to get stuff done that we're not getting back, you know. But it's the love. When you love something, you know, you spend time and, you know, you work with it, especially when it makes you happy, you know. So I really would love to see this project come to life in summer, and me and my team, you know, working on sound and working on acting skills. Taj, you know, good actor. And then you have Bamas. Bamas is a sound engineer guy learning the sound quick and fast. You know, he's trying to, you know, develop the quality of the sound, whether sound effects or the recording. You know, Bamas, that's Bamas, sound engineer. You know, and then you have the actor now, one Taj. You know, yeah, one Taj, the actor is a good one. You know, so guys, we would love to put in more effort and more creativity, you know, more time into the movies. You know, we had to rush doing so much movie in 1 month when it's not supposed to be like that, because movie take time, because it take time to do about the scene till they get it right. Different angles are the dialogue that the actors have to say and stuff like that. So it really take time. So for me to produce 5 movies for the month, it's really difficult. In which I didn't want to say difficult, but it's difficult because you have to rush to make a dollar so you can survive for the next month. You know, so guys, help us to only produce 1 movie per month. That means you get good quality movie, you know, sound, acting skills, you know, the concept of the movie, the script. Awesome, guys. So we're asking you for the opportunity to support us, keep supporting us, you know. Send us a lot of prayer and love, you know. Pray God bless us also, you know. And we'd love to always continue doing movies for you guys. We all have gifts, and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. Skinny, what a bombshell. So for sure, love you all. Enough respect and thanks again in advance.